Cobra's order. Do not kill.
I wish that Cobra'd make up his mind. Anda Makati, Cobra Basan.
I wonder what they're palavering about.
I can't understand why the Cobra's changed his order of death.
Maganda. Anda Cobra Basan.
They're going to take us to the Cobra.
That'll probably mean our finish.
Oh, no, we're still alive. We may get a break.
Longo.
Get this, Redmond. Looks like they're taking them all back to the Cobra.
Like you're right, Slade. That ends our chance of getting Joan.
Listen. An aeroplane. An aeroplane in this jungle? You're crazy.
Tell you what it is, look there.
Hear that motor? They're in trouble. Trying to make a landing.
Flying ship. Do, Jim. Circle back to that plane.
Looks like he's packed up.
To run. Get Joan out of here.
Jim!
Don't be silly.
Mike, you've got to help.
Like this our busy day. Astuto, girando, este.
Dead as a doornail.
Let's take his gun.
Hold it, you two.
You make a practice of robbing dead men?
In the jungle, you take weapons where you find them.
Well, you're not taking this one.
We saw your plane crash, and we thought we might help you.
It's too late to help my partner.
How about the plane?
Carburetor trouble mostly, but I can fix that all right.
That's good. And maybe you can help us. We're in a jam.
What sort of a jam?
Ever hear of a white man called the Cobra?
Cobra? Who's he? He runs this Pacific country.
He's holding a white girl, this man's niece. We're trying to get her back to civilization.
If you could get your plane in condition to fly, you could help us.
Oh, a damsel in distress, eh? And you want to get her out of the jungle. Well, that's going to cost you plenty.
You can name your own figure. Within reason, of course.
My name's Hawks. Let's talk business.
Is anything wrong?
Plenty. Joan has managed to turn the tables against you.
What do you mean?
You sent word out to kill all whites. She's coming in with Jungle Jim and Malay Mike, escorted by your own warriors.
Why, you must be crazy.
You think so? Well, wait till...
Mahandi.
You seem surprised to see me.
Why should I be surprised to see you, Joan?
You sent an order out on the drums to have me killed.
Why, there must be some mistake. I ordered these men killed, but I didn't...
You seem to forget I can read the drums.
I ordered their death, and I still order. Not time will lose.
No. I'm prepared to bargain for their freedom.
What have you to offer?
These men have come to take me to the world outside, to inherit a great fortune. I'll give that fortune to you if you let them go free.
How do I know that you'll keep your bargain?
Your sister can go with me to see that I keep my word.
I'm sorry, Joan. We won't let you make any such sacrifice for us.
You're darn tootin' we won't.
Oh, it's no sacrifice. I've been raised in the jungle. Money means nothing to me.
Then it's a bargain?
Yes.
Very well. These men remain my prisoners until the money is in my hands.
No, the bargain is that they go free now.
You forget that I am in command here, my dear Joan. You and my sister start for the coast tomorrow. Yatango Tara.
This is the secret entrance to the castle. The girls' room is clear up top.
Lead the way. I'll be right behind you.
If we get her out, are you sure your plane will carry the four of us?
Ought to. I've been using it to smuggle guns into the interior.
Mike, we can't let that girl give up a fortune of $1 million or more just to save our necks.
Well, from where I sit, I don't see that we can do anything about it.
Boy, we just got to get her out of here into the coast before the Cobra has a chance to send her out with his sister.
Have you got a key to that door in your pocket?
There's always a way out of a situation like this, if you put your mind to it.
Well, you might be able to open that door with your mind, but I'd need a crowbar.
Hey, Mike, how often has that guard gone by since we've been in here?
Oh, about every 4 or 5 minutes. Why?
He'd be mighty surprised if he came back and found out we weren't here, wouldn't he?
Well, wouldn't be half as surprised as I'd be. Why?
Get set for a big shock. Listen.
Missy, come to window, please. White men come to carry little Missy away.
White men? Who?
One Slade and 2 more.
Well, there's a guard outside the door.
Quick, Missy, go down rope.
Getting away.
Let's get out of here before we're trapped.
We've got to get to the dungeon, at least Jim and Mike.
Well, what detained you, Jim? Now, don't wait up for us, boys, because we may not be back for a long time.
I want that money as much as you do. But I'm certainly running an awful risk going to New York to get it.
What risk do you run?
Suppose she double-crosses me. You know what the law's got on me. And you too, for that matter.
She'll play fair. She knows what'll happen to Jungle Jim and his partner if you're not back within 60 days.
I hope you're right. But I've got a feeling we're in for trouble of some kind.
Let's get it! Let's get it! Baloo, the scalpel! Let's get it!
I tell you, Lil, nothing can go wrong. I've planned everything and...
Cobra-san, the white prisoners have escaped.
Escape? They couldn't have.
They are gone, Cobra-san.
Call out the guards. Surround the castles. If the prisoners are gone, you'll all pay for it.
If they've escaped, they'll try to take Joan with them.
How much further?
I think it's the room at the top of the stairs. She's gone. Dead as a doornail. Knifed in the back. If this is some of that Cobra's work,
Here he comes up the steps now. Turn loose, Jim. He won't bite now.
Now, what have you done with Joan? And talk fast.
As if you don't know what's happened to her.
Don't stall. Answer my question. What have you done with her? What have you done with Joan?
Timber! Escare pasando!